Reevaluation. Now that several weeks have passed since you implemented your social contribution, briefly describe your success in resolving your external F.I.R.E.S problem statement. Are you celebrating each accomplishment? Number 2, refer back to the external F.I.R.E.S vision statement you wrote describing your desired picture of the future. Is the future you are now experiencing anything like you expected back then? Why? Or why not? Number 3, what tweaks or changes must you make to your social contribution strategy? Are you on track to resolve your original external F.I.R.E.S problem statement and the related goals? Is it time to repeat these process steps to resolve a new external F.I.R.E.S problem statement? External F.I.R.E core messages. Your external F.I.R.E is whatever you use to make a contribution to community at any scale. When you choose to actively light and tend a well-managed external F.I.R.E, you create virtuous cycles of connectedness and community. External F.I.R.E is about, above all else, abundance. External F.I.R.E follows spiritual F.I.R.E because investing into and being able to draw from community will put the rest of your needs into perspective. When your external F.I.R.E is lit and preparing that communal food, you are operating from a baseline of abundance.